Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I am going to be doing a braid out with some products from Curl Prep. The owner of Curl Prep, Candace, reached out to me and she wanted me to review these products for you. So the products that I'm going to be using in this video consist of the Bigger the Butter and the Sweet Defining Gel, which has a moisturizing hold. And I've done a review on these two products here for a wash and go. I will have that linked up above and down below in the description box so you guys can check that out after you see this video. So I have already prepped my hair, and as you can see, like, I have them in two buns, well actually three buns, one on each side and then one in the back here. And I thought it would be easier for me to prepare for my braid out this way because I already have my hair in the sections that I want to do my braids in. And I had this section of my hair in the middle so that when I take my braids out, I don't have that distinct line down the back of my head. And I just want to make sure that my braid out comes out rather nicely. So like I said, I am going to be using this moisturizing hair butter first, and then on top of the butter, I'm going to apply the defining gel just to define my curls and stretch my curls a little bit more and give me that extra hold so that my braid out will last a little bit longer. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and probably start in the back with this bun here. Just gonna take that down so you guys can see. Okay, so that is what that section is looking like. So I am just going to probably half in that section. And I don't want my braids to be too big, but I do want them to be chunky. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this section here, and I'm probably going to split that in half. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see what the product looks like. That is what it looks like there. It looks very, very creamy, and it looks like it has a lot of slip. As you can see, like, it has that shine to it. Not sure if that's picking up on camera or not. And it does have some movement to it in the jar. So this is what it looks like on my hand. Very, very light and smooth and creamy. Like, this product feels very good, y'all. All right, so I think I'm just gonna go in with about this much right here first. And the smell of it has like a tropical scent to it, and it smells really good. And this is how it is going on to this section. And y'all, this butter is just like absorbing into my strands like really, really well. As you can see, like, there is no like white showing up or anything. It's adding shine to my hair as well. And do you see the definition? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Defining Gel. And this is what that looks like here. And we're going to go in with this much gel here, not too much. I'm going to put that like on my roots just to make sure they're smooth. Do y'all see that? Look how much my curls are stretching. I am super duper pleased so far. But yeah, this looks like the makings of a very good braid out, y'all. So I'm just going to split this section into three so I can go ahead and braid this up. This moisturizing butter contains shea butter, infused olive oil, wheat germ oil, goat's milk, marshmallow root, emulsified wax, vitamin E, preservatives, and fragrance. It says to take about a teaspoon of the butter and work the product through medium-sized sections of your damp hair. Use diffuser to dry curls into place. This moisturizing butter is a favorite for elongated, moist, two-strand twists. So as y'all can see, like, this braid looks super duper moisturizing, and as you can see, like, the curl definition is there as well. So yeah, I am going to continue with braiding the rest of my hair, and once I'm done, I will be back to let you guys see what my braids look like. The ingredients included in the Sweet Defining Gel consist of diffused water, goat's milk, shea butter, all natural xanthan gum, argan oil, hydrolyzed oat protein, natural grapeseed oil, preservative, and grapefruit seed extract. The directions say to use this moisturizing gel to hold curls in place, elongated by the sweet butter. Okay, so I am finally done putting in my braids, and this is what they are looking like. So I will have to say that so far so good. These products are super duper moisturizing, and the shine is there as well. But the true test, as I always say, will be once my hair has completely dried and the braids are out. So with that being said, once these braids are dry, I will come back and do the takedown and let you guys see what my final results are. Okay, so it is the next day and my braids have completely dried, I believe. But yeah, they feel like they are dry. So I'm going to go ahead and take them down and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. am finally done taking my braids out, and y'all, do y'all see the definition in my hair? Like, do you see the shine? And when I was taking my braids out, like, it was really easy for me to find out where to actually separate them from. And like, overall, y'all, like, this braid out is a bomb, and I am not going to like separate anymore because I want to see how it looks in the days to come. But as for day one for this braid out, y'all, like, this is bomb. Like, these products like really delivered, and my hair, it feels super duper moisturized, it feels soft, and as you can see, like, it has movement, it's not stiff or anything, even with me using the gel on my hair. So my overall thoughts about these products are that these are really great products, and I definitely think you should try them. They are moisturizing, they give you the hold, the shine is there, the moisture is there. Like, you can't go wrong with these products. These products are great for wash and goes as well as braid outs, twist outs, or whatever style you want to achieve. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.